Everyone, welcome back. We're going to get right into it today with our next story in our Grace Reader called Ants. Now, in this story, Grace learned some really interesting things about ants from school. Before we begin, though, let's go over 3 vocab words that we're going to need to know to help us understand the story. So we're going to have to know what insects are. Insects are small animals that have 6 legs and a 3-part body. So, for example, ants are insects because they have 6 legs. You're going to have to know the word glimpse. Glimpse means a quick look. So I only got a glimpse at the bird before it flew away. And then we're going to have to know what inhale means. Inhale means to breathe air into your lungs. So the doctor asked me to inhale slowly so he could listen to my lungs. Perfect. All right. As usual, I'm going to make myself disappear. I will read the story to you. You are going to follow along, and then I'll give you a chance to read it on your own. It's a quick one today. Don't you worry. All right. Are we ready for ants? We're going to find out what makes Grace so excited about ants. So I'm going to start here at the title and follow along as I read. Ants. The next week, Grace came running home after class. "Mom," she said as she raced into the kitchen, "we got an ant farm for our classroom. It's made of plastic, so you can see into it. You can look inside and see what the ants are up to. You can see them when they take bits of food back to their nest. It is so cool because you get a glimpse into the lives of ants." Her mom smiled and nodded. She was glad to see Grace filled with excitement. Grace went on. "Miss Frances says that the ants are insects. All insects have 6 legs. Bees and termites are insects too, but they are not as cool as ants. In fact, some ants can lift objects that are 100 times bigger than them." "Cool. What else did Miss Frances tell you?" asked her mom. "Ants have a queen, but not a king," Grace said. "The queen is the top ant. She is the boss. The rest of the ants feed her and take good care of her." "I like the sound of that," said her mom. "But it's a hard life for her," said Grace. "She has to make lots of eggs, so she has to be deep in the center of the anthill all the time." Grace stopped to inhale. Then she asked, "Mom, can I run out in the yard and look for ants?" "Yes, you can," said her mom. And out Grace ran. The end. It's a quick one today, I told you. All right. I'm going to give you a chance to read it on your own. Go ahead and read ants. All right, I'm going to turn the page. Pause it if you need more time. All right, pause if you need more time. I'm going to make myself come back on the screen so we can talk about it a little bit. I learned some interesting things about ants. I hope you did too. Okay, so question 1. What did Grace's classroom get? Remember to go back into the story to find your answer. What did Grace's classroom get? An ant farm! Woo! We should probably get one of those. That sounds really cool. What's an ant farm? You can use the picture to help you or some of the words. Grace said it's made of plastic, so you can look inside and see what the ants are up to. Or you can use the picture to help you kind of describe that. It looks like it's made of plastic. You can see all the little ants inside. Now, why is Grace says the queen's life is hard? I'm going to turn the page so we can look for that answer. Why does the queen have a hard life? Going back into our story, it says she has to make lots of eggs. So she has to be deep in the center of the anthill all the time. So to Grace thinks the queen bee has a hard life because she has to make lots of eggs and she's stuck in the center of the anthill, which would probably be hard, right? That's it for our story today. Super easy, right? And we learned some facts about ants. Love that. All right, your job after you finish the video is this Google form called Ants. After you finish the video, there are 4 questions all about what we learned about ants from our Grace story. That's it for today. I will see you guys next time.